Have you updated your accounts payable process to include the newest best practice step? Are you using best practices to receive your invoices? If you are not following one simple and relatively new step, you're probably using the almost best practice, which used to be the best practice, I might add, and this could mean a lot of extra work for your accounts payable staff. Make sure to stick around until the end when we explain what this new step is and, more importantly, why it is critical that you begin using it ASAP. Hey guys, I'm Mary Schaeffer from AP Now, the place where we curate the latest business intelligence for those who work in, manage, or have responsibility for the accounts payable function. Okay, let's dive right in. Now, when we're talking about invoices and receiving invoices for your accounts payable function, at a minimum, we're hoping that you've set up a unique address for the receipt of the invoices. And as you know, by this we mean one postal address, and that should be a very specific postal address. It shouldn't be 123 Main Street. It should be 123 Main Street, room 202, 123 Main Street, second floor, 123 Main Street, attention accounts payable. Something that makes it really clear that it's going to get to the right person the first time it's delivered and not be, sent all around the company as somebody tries to figure out where this goes. Okay, so one postal address, one unique fax number so that those of your suppliers who want to fax their invoices can do that. And hopefully, by the way, you've got that married to a e-fax facility, so it's automatically turned into an electronic document and emailed to you. And of course, one unique email address just for your invoices. So it'll be something like invoices at ABC Company. Now, you might have seen the thumbnail promoting this, and we've got a cartoon, which is one of the cartoons we had created for our book, 127 Best Practices for Accounts Payable. It's by Walter Moore. Anyway, I like to have a little humor in accounts payable because, a lot of times, you'd be crying instead of laughing. So anyway, that's where the cartoon comes from. Now, and the fourth option, by the way, in addition to the email, postal, and fax number, is a portal if you have one. And if you have a portal and you want to get the most out of it, an AP automation solution, it should have the ability to read invoices from emails, okay? That can be the silver bullet that changes everything for you. Now, if you've done that, you're halfway there. You may think you're all the way there, but you're halfway there, or 3/4 of the way there, because we have that last step. And before we get to that, I'd just like to ask you, if you like this episode, please give us a thumbs up. And if you loved it, please subscribe. We produce new content for this channel 3 times a week. Tuesdays and Thursdays are devoted to payment and accounts payable issues, and Saturdays are reserved for my newest love, Wordle. I hope you're playing, by the way. Anyway, I digress. So what's this last step, and why is it so important? Encourage anyone who is still mailing you invoices through the post to email them to you. Not email and mail, just email. When COVID first hit, the importance of email delivery was highlighted when some organizations had no staff going into the office and had difficulty retrieving invoices. What's more, and maybe to some of you this is more important, maybe not, the U.S. Post Office has indicated that mail is likely to get slower in the future and more expensive. So there's really no good reasons why your suppliers should insist on sending you invoices through mail. It's actually to their benefit also that they email it. So encourage anyone who's still mailing you an invoice to email it to you. You'll get it quicker. You'll be able to earn your early payment discounts quicker. There's benefits to both sides of the equation. Best practices for the receipt of invoices are only the tip of the iceberg. Using strong internal controls around your whole accounts payable process for your invoices is also critical. Do you think you're using all the right controls? Recently, we made a short video. I called it Pop Quiz on your internal controls for invoices. You can watch it right now using a link that will appear momentarily on YouTube and is in our show notes below. As always, we appreciate your thumbs up, your shares, your comments, and your subscribes. Good luck.